subscribe for daily videos. Nginx, pronounced Nginx, is one of the most popular web servers in the world. It was created to solve the problem of handling thousands of users at the same time while using very little memory and CPU. But Nginx is much more than just a web server. It can also act as a reverse proxy, load balancer, API gateway, and even cache content to improve website performance. So let's understand these concepts one by one. 1. Nginx as a web server. A web server is software that listens for HTTP or HTTPS requests from users. For example, when you type example.com into your browser and press enter, your browser sends an HTTP request to the server. If Nginx is acting as a web server, it receives that request and checks whether the requested file exists. If someone requests index.h, tml style.css logo.png app.js, Nginx simply reads those files from disk and sends them directly to the browser. These are called static files because they already exist and don't need to be generated. Since Nginx is optimized for serving static content, it can deliver these files extremely fast while using very little system resources. This is why many websites use Nginx to serve images, CSS, JavaScript, videos, and downloadable files. 2. Nginx as a reverse proxy. Now imagine your website is built using Node.js, Django, Spring Boot, or Laravel. These applications don't usually face the internet directly. Instead, Nginx sits in front of them. Here's what happens. A user sends a request to your website. The request reaches Nginx first, not your application. Nginx then forwards the request to your backend application. The backend processes the request, generates a response, and sends it back to Nginx. Finally, Nginx returns that response to the user. The user never communicates directly with your backend server. This is called a reverse proxy because it acts as an intermediary between clients and your backend servers. Why use a reverse proxy? There are several advantages. First, it hides your backend servers from the internet, adding an extra layer of security. Second, Nginx can terminate SSL, meaning it handles HTTPS encryption, so your backend application doesn't have to. Third, it can compress responses, cache frequently requested data, and reduce the workload on your application. Finally, if you have multiple backend servers, Nginx can distribute traffic among them, improving scalability and preventing a single server from becoming overloaded. Why is Nginx so fast? Traditional web servers often create one thread or process for each client connection. As traffic increases, this consumes a lot of memory and CPU. Nginx uses an event-driven, asynchronous architecture. Instead of creating thousands of threads, a small number of worker processes can handle thousands of simultaneous connections. This makes Nginx extremely efficient and one of the reasons it's trusted by high-traffic websites. For more daily IT topics, subscribe.